Hey guys, today we're going to do the Type X wing on the 180 SX. Now, this is the wing and how it comes when you purchase it. It comes in three pieces. You've got the blade and you have the 2 feet. Now, the feet will only go one way. As you can see, it is not going into place. But if you change sides, there you go. Will only go one way, so you can't get that wrong. Now, mounting hardware, they come with 6 M6 nuts, 4 washers, 4 grub screws, and 4 nuts. Now, the wings come with the 6 nuts already laid into them, and that is for these 6 bolts to screw into. And you screw them through the feet. Now, the feet come pre-drilled, the holes for the top and the holes at the bottom to access the holes to get to the bolts, and it has nuts laid into it, or them, so the grub screws can screw into. Tool wise, I simply like to use just a 3/4 socket with an extension. If you can get an extension with one of those wobbly heads, it's going to make it a bit easier. And finally, just a 3mm Allen key. That's about it. Now, I'm gonna put this together. I'm gonna put the feet on, show you how to gain access with the bolts, and then we're gonna put it on the car. So let's get stuck into it. Our feet are on, nice and tight. It's time to put in those grub screws. Now, just put 2 in either side with the Allen key side facing up. You'll see that once it's in, the Allen key will only go in one way. There's just a little slot for it. A few turns, make it tight, both sides. Now they're done up, let's put this wing into place, and I'm going to show you how to tighten the bolts up. Underneath the hatch, you're going to find that there is this trim panel that needs to be removed. Now, it's just a few clips. I've already gone ahead and removed most of the clips to speed this up, just for this video. So you take that off, and you're going to have access to those grub screws through these large holes already cut out from factory. Now, with those washers and nuts, we're going to put these in. Now, I like to put the washer in my left hand for this. Simply put it in place, holding it with my left hand, and then put a nut in that long extension. Put it into place like that. Put the nut in there again. Put that washer in my left hand. Slide it into place. Hold it with the left. Do it up with that extension. While I'm here. And tighten it up. Do the same thing on the other side. Now, the only trouble with this side is you do not have this large access panel because you have the rear windscreen wiper in. Now, you can take it out if you've got a whole bunch of time on your hands, But personally, I think you can do it just getting through that little access hole. If you've got little hands like me, it helps. Got little feet too. That's what happens when you're, 5 foot nothing. Put that bolt in the socket. Nut, sorry, in there again. Washer, left hand, holds it in place. Bolt in. Do it up. Typex wing is in, guys. Bit of a pull test there. It's in very secure. Now, if you want to check out these wings or any of the other huge amount of parts we make for the 180SX, S15s, Evos, GTRs, Supras, basically we specialize in JDM sports cars. And you can check all our parts on our website, jsai.com.au. Next week, I'm probably going to do the Typex pods for the 180SX, so stay tuned for that one. We do ship Australia-wide and worldwide, so if you have any inquiries, you can just send us a message on our website, Facebook, or Instagram. One more thing, some people do ask, how strong are your products? Now, these products, like all our products, are made here at our workshop in Australia. Now, I'm not my lightest I've ever been at the moment. I'm about 64 kilos. Now, I'm not just gonna, push on it. I'm gonna stand on it. Now, like I said, these products are handmade by us at our workshop here in Australia. And being an aftermarket product, we highly recommend you do a trial fit before you prime and paint. And that's about it, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.